Shopping for Christmas gifts. Okay, we've got a lot to do. What's first on your list?
My dad. He's so hard to shop for. I'm thinking something for his office. Maybe a nice pen or a desk organizer.
Good idea. Let's check that stationery store over there. I need something for my sister, too. She's into cozy stuff. Maybe a blanket or slippers.
Perfect. Oh, look at that holiday pop-up shop. They've got handmade candles and ornaments. Want to take a peek?
Sure, but I have to warn you, I might get distracted. I love cute holiday decor.
No judgment. I'm already tempted by that wreath with the little bells.
Same. Hey, do you think your mom would like a scented candle?
Definitely. She loves anything lavender. Let's grab that. Ooh, and there's a stand with Christmas sweaters over there. Should we get matching ones for the party?
Yes. The ones with reindeer are hilarious. Should we get some for our dogs too?
Obviously. What's Christmas without ridiculous pet outfits?
Oh no, I just remembered. I forgot to get something for our secret Santa exchange. Any ideas?
What's the budget?
$20.
Easy. How about a cute mug and some gourmet hot chocolate?
Perfect. Let's head to that kitchen store. Oh, look, they're selling Christmas fudge. Should we get some to keep us going?
Absolutely. Chocolate is fuel for holiday shopping. Also, do we have a plan for wrapping everything?
I have some leftover wrapping paper, but I might need more. Should we stop by that craft store?
Definitely. And we need bows and tags, too. Nothing beats a beautifully wrapped gift.
Agreed. Hey, we've been shopping for hours. Should we grab lunch before we pass out?
Yes, please. How about the food court? I saw a stall with turkey sandwiches and cranberry sauce.
Sold. Let's load up on carbs and then tackle the rest of our lists. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.